In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a clear YouTube thumbnail. It's very simple, but you have to go through this tutorial before you get it. Simple. I've created a document that have 1920 by 1080 pixel size. So I'm going to use this image as the background, because we're talking about YouTube thumbnail, and this lady is like watching a video. Let's just for a while believe that is she's watching a YouTube video. So first I'm going to change the gradient map, but sometimes I don't like using it. If you wish, you can just go over it and use it. Here I'll create another layer. On the layer I'm going to just create a shadow. Later I'll create another layer where I'll create light. This I'm doing this just to make sure that the text on the picture is going to will be brighter, especially the thumbnail will be smaller on the screen. It will not be as big as this. So by doing this, there will be some, like, the text on the picture will be the focal point that the YouTube users will see, and that will increase the rate of people that will click on the thumbnail and watch the video. Yeah, I'm going to create a border around. Around the design, so just to make sure that the design looks professional. Look at that. It's going to look professional. So the next thing now is to add text. So I'm going to add some text to it. Yeah, I'm trying to look at the name. And if you want to add text to your thumbnail, you can't add all the whole title of the video. You have to pick out the not 2 to 5, not more than 5 words that best explains the title of the video. So yeah, I think I'll just use YouTube and some words. So let's continue. YouTube, I like to change the font. I like something that will be big, and yeah, this is okay. I like this. From there, I'm going to create it as a sample for the other words. I use Alt and to create the other layer. Yeah, YouTube intro and outro video. So good. I'm going to create a background, so small background for the intro and outro. Use shift backspace to make it black. Yes. So make it as big as the box below it. Yes, that's fine. Yeah, I want to make sure that the whole content is aligned properly within the background or the whole image. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So, Yeah, I'm trying to create a stroke which is different from the stroke that you get on the blending mode option. I like this because it's just gives me more option to modify the stroke, unlike the one that you get from blending options. This is how to create YouTube thumbnail. You can try this. Now if you look at the thumbnail, you see that the text on it comes out bigger and bolder. So with this, even if the picture or the thumbnail is as small as a thumb, the text will still show up, and that's what I want. That's what I want. If you look at that, the text will still show, no matter how small the thumbnail. Now I want to export. So always try to use the save for web and PNG 24. I think I like that always. And whenever the size is higher than 2 MB, YouTube might not allow you to update that thumbnail, to upload that thumbnail. So you can come back and use a lesser version of PNG instead of 24. So with that, I'm coming to the end of this tutorial. Please hit that subscribe button, like, and share this video with your friends. Thanks.